In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a captivating and nostalgic photo story using CapCut. Whether you're a seasoned CapCut user or just getting started, I'll guide you through the process of transforming a simple photo into a memorable piece of art with just a few creative touches. So let's dive in and explore how you can make your photos truly stand out. To begin, you'll need to import your photo into CapCut and drag it onto the timeline. This will be your canvas, the starting point of our creative journey. Make sure the photo is positioned exactly where you want it, stretching it along the timeline to fit the project's duration. This will give you ample room to add all the creative elements we're going to explore next. Now, let's give your photo some life by adding a soft zoom in or pan effect. This can be achieved using keyframes, a powerful tool that enables you to animate your image subtly. Simply set one keyframe at the start of your photo on the timeline and another at the end. You can decide whether to slowly zoom in to draw your audience's eye inwards, or pan across the photo for a dynamic movement that tells a story from one side to another. This movement will spark interest immediately and make your photo feel more cinematic. Next, head over to the Effects tab and choose between a dreamy blur or glow effect. Both of these options add a beautiful, ethereal quality to your photo, enhancing its emotional impact. Apply the effect by dragging it onto your photo in the timeline and adjust the intensity to suit the mood you're trying to create. A subtle effect can evoke a sense of nostalgia, making the memory feel soft and precious. To build further atmosphere, consider adding a layer of sound with some nostalgic music or a voiceover. Music can evoke powerful emotions and set the perfect tone for your project. Select a track that complements the visuals and enhances the overall vibe you're aiming for. If you're opting for a voiceover, record a short narration that connects personally to the photo or conveys the memory you're highlighting. Finally, let's finish off your photo story with a personal touch by adding text. Incorporate a caption that includes a date, location, or a brief memory description that relates to the photo. This element not only adds context, but also deepens the emotional connection for anyone viewing your creation. Use the text tool to position and style your caption, ensuring it complements the overall aesthetics without overwhelming the image. And there you have it. A simple yet effective way to create a memorable and engaging photo story using CapCut. With these steps, you're well on your way to crafting beautiful, emotional content that resonates with your audience. Thank you for joining me, and happy editing.